So welcome to this video. This video is the last one in a series. The first one was how to do keyword research, and that showed you how to get different ideas for different keywords that you can work into your content. Keywords that a lot of people are searching for, so it's worth making some effort. After doing that, I showed you how to do on-page formatting and adding alt text and title text to your images and some best practices. Now in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be measuring the results of all of that effort, and we're going to see what keywords or queries our website's coming up for. We're going to see whereabouts it's placed in the search results, and then by doing that we can establish different words that we need to work on and make new content for. So this process really is an ongoing process. It's a continual thing. You make tweaks and add content to your website. You come back to here, you look at the results. After looking at the results, you then make decisions on what you're going to add content about next. Go and do that, and then the process starts again. So anyway, let's get into this. First of all, to get to the tool, type in analytics and it'll be the first result. So access. Now I am going to use a website that isn't being used anymore. The owner didn't want the stress of running his own business, so he's gone back into full-time work. This website's actually broken, and but we haven't sorted it out, but it still does something. All I'm going to be covering in this video is how to use this for a content author. I'm not going to be getting into all the details. Obviously, it's interesting stuff, worth clicking around. So we're going to go down here. First of all, I'm going to quickly talk about this one. It's become obsolete really. Organic means the free search results. This is quite good for paid search results though, I'd imagine. So if we go to organic, what we can see down here is the different keywords that our users have put into Google to find our site. How many hits we had off of it, and this goal conversion here, we set it up so that once a customer reaches the success page after filling in the contact form, we register it as £500 in our site, and then it gives us an idea of the sort of money that we've made. The problem is this, not provided. This is pretty average for the sites. 90% of the visitors now don't allow us to see what keywords they entered, so that's why I say this page is kind of obsolete really. However, we have been given a new page, so we go down to queries, and here we can see the different, we've been calling it keywords. In this context they called it query. We can see the impressions. Impressions is how many times that was put into Google and how many times we were shown in the results. You can see clicks. You can see the average precision. This is very important. Basically what I can see here on this site is, because I've ordered it by impressions, I can see that the most common search is this, surprisingly, because we haven't made any content about it at all really, and we're coming up at 36. So if we went and made a page about this and put in some images, etc., then we would definitely be rising up the ranks for that, and we can pick up some extra traffic. And for this site, because it's a builder's website, it's exactly what they're doing. And we can see other different terms as well. So basically, if you position for a query is 40 something or less, you know, it's worth making some more content, working it in. You know, and if it's a little bit, you know, you're lower down in the search engines, but it's a really high volume phrase, then, you know, obviously it's worth making a lot of effort and working it into all your existing pages. And that is basically how we use this tool to look at the results that we're getting from the content that we've made, and working out, you know, which ones are worth, you know, spending extra time on. And on this particular website, this is definitely worth spending time on. So I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you find it useful, and obviously if you need a website, it's a service that we offer.